Hello, this is Aaron Bowen, one of your librarians in the Merriam Library at California State University, Chico. This video introduces the CRAAP test. CRAAP stands for Currency, Relevance, Authority, Accuracy, and Purpose. It is a set of questions you can ask of any resource you find, be it a book, article, website, or something else. These questions can help you assess whether the resource contains information that will help strengthen the quality of your coursework, or whether the information is too specific, too general, too old, too biased, or has some other issue that may complicate its viability as a source for your research. With regard to currency, identify when the information was published or posted to the web, as well as whether the information has been revised or updated. Many websites will have a note at the bottom of the page telling you when the page was last revised. You can use the date to decide if the information is current enough or too out of date for your topic. Also, if it's a website, see if the links are functional. If they are not, it may be a clue that no one has maintained the site for a while. With regard to relevance, decide how closely the information relates to your research topic or helps answer your research question. See if you can identify one or more intended audiences at whom the information is geared, and consider whether your research would be relevant to the same audience. Decide if the information is at an appropriate level, and whether your current source complements other sources you have looked at. Last but not least, consider whether you would be comfortable citing this source for a research paper or project. With regard to authority, do you know who the source is? Who wrote or recorded the document you are evaluating? Does the author list credentials or an organizational affiliation, such as a university? What are the author's qualifications to write on the topic? Likewise, is the author's or publisher's contact information listed, and does that offer any clues as to who produced the document? Also, if it's a website, does the web address reveal anything about the author or source? With regard to accuracy, can you determine where the information in the resource comes from, or if it is supported by evidence, and is that evidence made clear and explicit within the resource? Has the information been peer-reviewed or refereed? The Merriam Library's series of What is a Scholarly Article videos has further information on the peer review process. Are you able to confirm the information presented in the resource from other sources or from your own personal knowledge? Consider whether the language or tone seems biased or impartial. Also, are there spelling, grammar, or typographical errors? With regard to purpose, what is the purpose of the information? To inform, teach, sell, persuade? Do the authors state their purpose, or is their purpose made clear another way, such as an opinion piece being placed in a newspaper's op-ed section? Is the information opinion or propaganda, or does the point of view appear objective and impartial? See if you can detect any biases, such as political, ideological, cultural, religious, institutional, or personal biases within the resource. The CRAAP test is a great set of questions you can ask of any resource you find. To finish, I will once again highlight the final bullet point under relevance. Would you be comfortable using this source for a research paper? As that is the big question you should ask of the different resources you find when searching for information for your coursework.